Hello, this is Anne Marie with the Laid Back Mat. And today we're going to start with some breathing, inhaling up and exhaling down with the option to involve the arms or keeping them to your side. You can also do this sitting down on a chair if you wish. So make sure your inhales is when your arm goes up, exhale when they come down. You also have the choice to keep it simple and just remember to breathe and not to hold your breath. And now let's get prepared for some easy twists. Now you can keep your arms down or on your shoulders, inhaling your elbows up and starting to twist at the hip, followed by the elbows and then the nose and the other side. Make your stand wider if you need to, and remember to keep that little band in the knees. So inhaling as you come back and center, and exhaling during your twist. Now again, your hands can be on your hips, down alongside of you. So that's a great option also if your arms get tired. Just remember to keep your shoulders down. Now go with your own body at your own pace and only do what feels good to you. Now look down to the side, and while keeping your shoulders squared off, just inching down to the side. Option to bring the upper arm up or keep it down on your hip, and other side the same way. Inhaling up. Now let's make a big stand with our feet. Again, little bend in the knees, keeping the upper shoulder open. Maybe going gently to the side. We don't want to go and force more than we need to, so make sure that this is a comfortable movement for you. Inhaling up and exhaling down. Now you have the option here to bring your arms up to the side. Exhaling the shoulder down as you move your bottom arm down, reaching for the sky. Inhaling back up, exhaling the shoulders down as we start leaning to the other side, maybe looking up. Again, your hands can stay on your hips here. Now let's bring a front foot and make our toes face in that direction. We're gonna do a easy triangle. We're not going all the way down, and we're just switching foot, making a front foot in the direction where we are going. So this is pretty much the same as you've done, but with the feet placed for triangle. Again, option to keep your hands on your hips. Heel toe, heel toe, heel toe. Bring your feet closer together. Big toe in, maybe touching or not. Inhaling up Exhaling the hands palm together. Let's do that again to the side. Just move your feet like to the other side. Maybe bringing your bum back for an easy chair. Don't force anything here. You have the option to sit in the chair or tap in the chair also with your bums. And here, make sure your knees don't pass your toes when you look down. Now let's exhale down and just sit down for here for a moment here. Maybe crisscross. If that feels good, and keep your legs like that. You can bring your feet a little forward. Oh, this is good if your feet are just in the front of you. But if you wish, you can bring one foot up for like a half lotus and just switching the other side, or just switching your feet as you're sitting down. It doesn't have to go on your thigh. Just switch the order. So again here, just go with what feels comfortable for you. Now let's see, let's bring the sole of our feet together. Your knees don't have to touch the ground here. If you're rounding up, just bring your feet forward until your back is straight. Be comfortable, don't force your knees down. Inhaling up, curving your back on the exhale. Curve, curve, curve until your nose maybe sniffs your toes. That this part is also optional. Inhaling back up, shrugging the shoulder a little bit up and back, straightening the legs as you start giving yourself a nice little tap tap massage on the shoulders, maybe rubbing them or tapping the shoulders, the neck, the top of your legs, wherever you need it. Touch, 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 tap, 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 or just rub, rub, whatever feels nice to you. Increasing a little blood flow here. Big inhale up, bend your knee as much as you need. Just keep your back as straight as it's possible for you. And when you're ready, I would like to invite you to just lay on your back. Just lay down comfortably, maybe having a space between your feet away from each other, your arm a little bit away from your body. Inhale, and on an exhale, just bring your fingers a little bit closer to your feet, just to give some room between your ears and your shoulders. Just breathe. That's all you need to do right now. Just breathe. Gently press yourself to your right side. Slowly come into a comfortable seated position. Namaste, and thank you so much for joining me. Thank you.